If that was you on the phone and you on the bus, then who was flickering the lights?
Alright guys, I think my face is a little rough. I haven't made a YouTube video showing my face in a while, okay? So what's happening is I'm honestly a little sick, okay? Now, I don't have the COVID or nothing like that. I know it's a little dark, so I'm gonna get some lighting for y'all guys, okay? Alright. I don't have the COVID. Just a little sick, okay? Now, my mom and my brother's father, they gave me an idea when they gave me the symptoms of the COVID. So they were saying, watch out for them. So they said mood swings. I don't know. They said mood swings. They said headache, and they said chest pains. So while I was sitting there, basically, I'm gonna start having chest pains, and you know, like basically the symptoms. Okay, my grandmother, and Wella is Spanish. My grandmother, I'm gonna tell her about it, but
We're waiting.
But I just wanted to
Right here.
sweet.
Okay, then come on.
what's that?
What?
Thank you, Daddy.
Your chest hurts?
Daddy, I'll give you $20 for that. No, I'll get a $5.
Can you put your mask on then? You already with the 6 feet move. Like, put your mask on then, please, because I'm about to go get you tested.
That's how you treat me?
That's exactly how I'm gonna treat you. I gotta take care of myself. I gotta take care of 3, 4 other people. So put your mask on. Soon will I be downstairs and you be upstairs quarantined.
Oh,
For 14 days. I'll bring you your test and then another one. I know that you can't come through.
Well, this is not a joke.
Alright,
This is a serious movie.
it's breaking it down.
I took it like 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago.
Oh, okay, so you gotta wait another 2. And then you take it again. You gotta stay faithful. Trust me. They will be up, right?
I know, but it's too
The only difference is, honestly, don't let it stick. You don't let it hide. It's not.
Because your hands are hot, so you don't need to fake your hands.
What you got?
If my hands is hot,
Feel her hands. Her hands are hot, right? She put a little.
Sorry, you little
She put her
kid.
hands with my hands hot. These are extremely hot.
stop talking.
What?
Stop talking and shut up for a second. Close your mouth. Get away.
Wow, I had to call.
I don't think you understand for real. If you really sick, like with COVID, I cannot play with you right
No,
now.
be checking.
Like, all my body is under way too much stress
It's hot.
as is. And then on top of that,
Go lay down. Go chill out somewhere. Don't know if they want that.
Alright, put this.
leave that. That don't go nowhere.
Why you gonna give the turkey to Coco?
Oh my God.
That's
no
better.
way.
Oh my God, we gotta eat that. Good thing this
I
going
gotta say, girl, it's going in the oven, thank God. On 400.
That's better.
God, please heal my Rico because he's acting foolish right now.
Oh, y'all gotta cook a lot.
Do the bomb?
Do it.
That what you do the bomb?
Ghost.
So the time you said,
I'm a
ghost.
I said you're gonna be ghost the holidays.
With birds.
And I'll be here.
Lights up the match.
It's alright. Maybe your mom come by and
Can I get kissed, buddy? Can I
I know
get
she
kissed?
won't. I know she like the food.
Can I get kissed? Can I get kissed?
She come by.
Can I get kissed?
If dad don't tell her, you tell her.
Can I get kissed?
Honestly, tell her.
Yo, you coughing without your mask on. In the baby
shirt up over your face. That's it. Walk around with the mask too. Everybody walk around with the mask. I'm done.
You about to go get my own card.
Gracious. I feel like I need one too. Here, come here. Here, you gonna keep this.
Who tested positive?
Nobody.
Oh.
Markel thinking go. No, let me close this because you ain't gonna. Yep, let me close this. There you go, go.
Foreigner. Foreigner. What are you doing, man?
Because he was coughing so much.
Oh, he
You gotta
coughed.
put a mask on. That's it. You gotta put a mask on.
Put a mask on.
Yo, you had to clean your phone.
Can I pick this up? Why would I pick that? 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 Cough in your face. Seriously, my chest is hurting.
My head.
My chest is hurting. My chest is hurting. My chest is
Had a
hurting.
Superman glass.
My chest is hurting. It feels like something's doing this.
I can't focus because Markel talking about this COVID and I'm really nervous because I got asthma and I might die.
Oh no, he started coughing.
Are you the same person I was talking about?
Our dad.
Out there. Thank you. Correction.
My dad, our dad.
Correction.
I gotta go. I don't think I want my hair done.
That's tough.
I'll do it myself. Maybe you should give him a maybe you should give him a little medicine.
You go to a search
It look like them.
you need it. And you take care, you take one of mine.
You gotta be so extra. No, you don't give my
You
butt.
coughing on your butt talking about
You gonna give my butt corona. I'ma have butt corona.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Yo, you're nasty.
Markel, I'm not playing with you. If you don't go upstairs, boy.
Yeah, but you know, like in Israel, it's the same way. You know, Israel, you Zaya.
I'm going away from this place.
Who
Throw a
they down
bomb.
so with, man?
In Israel, they go to Cuba. You kill one Israelite, they go and kill two.
Markel,
That's the way they
you
are.
really about to like don't be playing.
But
Okay?
now,
I'm gonna tell you right now, like I told you about the boy who played Wolf, you don't play with this stuff. People are really dying from this. So if you really feel like you're sick, that's one thing. But if you feel like, oh look, I might have flu, cold, something totally different, but don't play with it, is what I'm telling you. Do you understand me?
got a trigger.
Hello?
It's gonna be there, but it's gonna be something
Go,
else.
sis. I'm about to call the COVID people right now.
Tested.
Turn the key.
Because he
What does it
plays
say?
too much and you don't understand that you play, but then when somebody thinking something serious, it ain't serious. You know what I'm saying? So then when it's really something serious, you're gonna be crying help and ain't nobody gonna be there to help you. Because people gonna think you're just a jokester. Because it's extremely hot in here. Because I'm sweating.
I don't know if y'all can hear me. That's it, guys. Cause she said I'm gonna be like your boy Cry Roof or Wolf. And I don't want to be that because I don't want to be sick, and then she don't believe me. All right. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I don't know if it's gonna be published. If it is, then we'll let y'all know. He was in on it.
Make sure you go follow my Instagram account.
I probably won't put it in the link. No, don't worry.
Go
about
ahead,
it.
put it in the link.
Hope y'all enjoyed. If I put it out there. All right.
Gang!